Hello everyone, I Rashmi Pal, your sports teacher, welcome you all in this yoga session. Now the question arises, why yoga? Because nowadays we are not moving as much as we used to, and the anxieties in the current situation might get overwhelming at times. But the good news is, introducing these few yoga poses into a daily lifestyle could make a huge difference into your physical and mental well-being. And the even better news is, for practicing yoga, you don't need any fancy equipments, any fancy clothes. Just wear something comfortable and grab a towel in case you don't have a yoga mat. Today, we are starting with Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation. This is for absolute beginners who have never done yoga before, so this is gonna be easy. When we practice Surya Namaskar, it's work on about 90% of our muscles. So it's a really good warm-up exercise. Today we will do the Hatha Yoga style of Surya Namaskar, in which it has 12 poses in it. Actually, there are many schools of yoga who practice different variations of Surya Namaskar. This, according to me, is one of the traditional version of doing Surya Namaskar. So, it's good to know the traditional version first and then adding your own flair to it. One more thing, Surya Namaskar is best to be done in the morning itself with the rising sun, just to present our gratitude for the blessings we have around. Stand on the front of the mat, keep your feet hip distance apart. Remember that with every position change, we also have to change our breathing. As you exhale, join your palms together, abdominal tightly held in. Now inhale and raise your hands slowly up and stretch to the back, pushing your hips forward. What you want to remember is not to drop your head like this. Your head should be in line with your hands. As you exhale, slowly lengthen your spine and bend forward. Try to touch the floor. When you touch the floor, you feel a very good stretch in your hamstrings, this part of the leg. If you are somewhere here, what you need to do, just drop your head like this and just hang loose. And if you are comfortably able to touch the floor, just hold your leg and try to touch the head to your knees. From here, as you inhale, take your right leg back and keep your right knee on the floor. Palms are flat on the floor. Left knee should be in 90-degree angle. Remember not to push your knee ahead of your toes. Now we are going to hold our breath. Take your left knee back and come into a plank position, keeping your body into a straight line like this. Remember not to poke your butts up or drop them down. Just keep your body in a straight line. Now exhale and put your knees down. Relax your toes. Feel like you're doing a push-up. Your chest and chin down, and remember your abdominal is off the floor. Now relax your body. Inhale and slowly come up. Your shoulders are relaxed, your elbows are bent in, and head is looking up. Try not to stretch your shoulders, just relax your shoulder blades and feel the stretch. This is Bhujangasana, or we also call it Cobra pose. Now as you exhale, lift your body up into the downward dog position or the Adho Mukha Svanasana and stretch. Try to touch the heels to the floor. If you're not able to touch the heel, just walk one step forward and then touch the heel. Push your head inwards and stretch. In this position, palms are flat on the floor and knees are straight. Now as you inhale, bring your right knee forward and left knee on the floor. Right knee should be in 90 degrees. Remember not to get your knee ahead of your toe. This can cause injuries with your knee. And head is looking straight. Now, as you exhale, take your knee forward and again feel the stretch in your hamstring. Hold your leg with your hand and try to touch the head to the knee. Now, inhale and raise your hand and bend backward with your head in line with your arms. Exhale and join your palms together. So this was the first half part of the Surya Namaskar. Now you have to do the same with the other leg also. So this was the Surya Namaskar from one side of the leg. You need to do 6 to 10 rounds of Surya Namaskar daily in the morning to boost up your morning and to feel energized whole day. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.